What is up, guys? Welcome back to another review. Today we're going to be reviewing a mouse that I got off of Amazon for around $14. It's called the PicTech. It's a gaming wired mouse, 7200 DPI. Alright, let's see what's inside. So first here we got the mouse. Looks very amazing. It is wired, so that's the wire. Put that off to the side just for a second. This looks like a driver software for the mouse. It's kind of like a mini CD. And then we got the instructions. These are the instructions for the mouse. This is basically just teaching on how the software works, because it does come with software that is downloadable. Alright, let's get into reviewing the mouse. Alright guys, so let's go over all the buttons on the mouse. This button right here is to raise the DPI. This button right here is to lower the DPI. We have the scroll wheel, and we have the forward and backwards button. We have the logo on the back here, PicTech. At the bottom, and then we have the USB connector. I believe this is a very good mouse for only $14. Alright, so it looks like in our upper right hand corner, it's just a DBRE drive Thunderbird. So we're going to click on this. Looks like it's going to download a program for us to run. I believe that's what's going on. Let's see what is going on. There we go. Well, that looks dope, guys. Alright, looks like it is installing English, yes. Alright, so it looks like the menu that it pops up with. So first off, we have the key settings. And with these, you can pick any button and you can set it to whichever. So like 1 is the left button, 2 is the middle button, 3 is the right button, and so forth. And you can also adjust the rolling rate, mouse sensitivity, and scrolling speed, and double click speed. So there's this cool thing that they made called profiles, and basically you can have different profiles. So say you're sharing the same computer with like your sibling, you can be on profile 1 and your sibling can be on profile 2, and they can have different settings on each profile. So that's kind of a neat thing that you just pull this up. And so blue, not sure how, so this is the main. Oh, so advanced. So now you can, yeah. So that is right here, you can see main. And then right here you can see advanced. Advanced is where you can change the DPI color to the sensor. And my favorite is the purple. I really like the purple. It looks really nice on the mouse. So I am going to change the red to the purple. So I really like that color. I'm going to change the purple to the red. so I don't get confused. So we're gonna do that and apply. Alright, so you can see you can also change the brightness. So I would like it to be steady. Brightness, I'm gonna set it, yeah, I think 85% is pretty good, guys. So yeah, lighting effect, what's that? Respiration, neon. I wonder what that is. Let's apply that. I'm not sure what the neon is, but we'll just have it steady. Yeah, I don't see a difference. Then we have macro. I'm not sure what that is. And then support. So yeah, I think this is a great little firmware that they have with the mouse. And I mean, this mouse was only $10. I got it on sale for $10, and I say it's a pretty amazing mouse for that price. I mean, I've been using it for about a month now since my unboxing, and it just held up perfectly. I've had no issues with it. I use it basically every day, and it's a great mouse. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you watched to this point, comment Super Watcher, comment that. And make sure to like and subscribe, share this video with your friends, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to just comment I enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.